In this video, we are going to talk about 5 collocations related to work, job, and employment. Stay with me. Hello everybody, this is Payman from Mr. Bean. If you're new to our channel, please click on subscribe and like button. Here in this channel, I will help you learn what you need for better communication in English. So, let's start with our 5 collocations today. Okay, number 1 is taking industrial action. Taking industrial action means to go on a strike. To go on a strike. When workers go on the streets and say, hey, give us our money. Okay, let me give you an example. Some workers will take industrial action because the manager didn't pay their wages. Industrial action. Now, number 2 is relieved of duty. Relieved of duty. When somebody relieved of his duty, they are dismissed from work. Remember that this is a formal collocation. Let me give you an example. John was relieved of his duty because of a misconduct. Relieved of duty. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is wrongfully dismissed. When somebody wrongfully dismissed from their job, it means that they dismissed unfairly. It was unfair. Okay, now let me give you an example. John was wrongfully dismissed from his job. He was innocent. Okay, number 4. Oh, no. Wait a second. Do you like the video? Do you enjoy our videos? So why not like the video and subscribe to our channel? Do you have any question or any comment? So leave your comment below. Thank you very much. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4 is living wage. Living wage. Living wage is an amount of money that is enough you can live on, okay? For example, we only get a living wage monthly. There's not much to save. That's it. Now let's go to number 5. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is running errands. Running errands. Running errands means to go out and doing some menial task. Do you know what is menial? Menial means unimportant and tiny responsibilities that some workers may have. Okay. So, running errands. Okay, thank you very much for watching and following us so far. If you like this video and if you like to learn more, in the next video, we will have another 5 collocations related to this topic. So, follow us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Bye-bye.